Hi, science friends. We've made up. We're friends now. And we're going to be talking about more invertebrate friends called arachnids. Can you say arachnid? Good job. Arachnids have two body parts, unlike our insect friends who had how many? 3. Good job. They had a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Arachnids have two body parts. They have something called a cephalothorax. What? Can you say cephalothorax? Good job. A cephalothorax is their head and thorax fused together. Then they have that second part called the abdomen. Very good. Now let's talk legs again. How many did our insect friends have? 6. Good job. How many do you think arachnids have? 8. Very good. I'm going to ask you at the end, so don't forget. Okay, what else do our arachnid friends have? They have something called pedipalps. They almost look like legs, but they're little feelers that help them hold their food and feel things. Then they have fangs. What? That's right, fangs to help them eat. What else do they have? Well, they all can make silk except for one. They're called scorpions. And if they can spin a web, they have something called spinnerets. Can you say spinnerets? Very good. So let's look at some arachnids. We have the brown recluse. We have the scorpion. And drum roll, the tarantula. All right, good job, guys. Now, remember, we sent you these cubes with our invertebrate friends. If you were able to sort out the insects, I bet you know who our arachnid friends are. So go ahead and get your magnifier and look up close at their parts. So, I told you I'd ask you, how many legs do our arachnid friends have? That's right, 8. Very good job. Now, get your science journal and go find them. Do your invertebrate sorting, make sure you know which class is which, and then go find them, go explore. We share this world with so many amazing animals. I can't wait to hear what you find. All right, see you later.